Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. From the soil come life, from life come I. Yet some man sell soul for a piece of the sky. Them chase gold leaf, but leaf dry. Them turn blind eye while the youths cry. Me say, one root, one source, no lie. When you cut the tree, all branch off his side. So try the humble truth, the dust and time. Truth at the staff, he climb the mountain line. Try it slow, I man tried it wise. Roots truth shine in a jar. Them preach in a church, but them heart corrupt. Full up a sweet talk and false syrup cup. But real man knows it, truth can't stop. It only hide till the season truck up. When the rain fall, the seed wash away. Light reveal every secret clay. Jah fire never sleep, it burn calm. Fi melt the vanity from the man alarm. Burn them chain, I man burn them pride. Roots truth life can't hide inside. Roots truth ain't no paper scroll. It there inna the marrow, deep in a soul. No crown, no gold can buy control. Righteous step from the dirt make whole. Roots truth, sound of the drum. When I chant word, the wicked get numb. Love and overstanding overcome. One heartbeat as the kingdom come. Me reason with the wind, the retard plane. It's a man forget him root for Babylon gain. Me say nah sell life for material chain. Cause life itself is the holy grain. From the womb to the tomb, cycle tight. Every wrong of the bow before right. So me plant truth seed in a dark night. Watch it grow tall, full of morning light. Grow tall my youth, don't sell his soul. Roots true deeper than silver or gold. Reasoning time. Every man claim wise till truth test him out. But truth not argue, truth just be. It's the river them can't divert. Only clean and pure meditation can drink from that stream. We see many king fall on them throne. Cause them build up palace pan, sand and bone. But humble man chant in a silent tone. And Jah whisper, science soon come home. So me now bow to system design. They link up with earth, drum and divine. If truth a crime, then me plead that line. Babylon can't jail the sun when it shine. Truth fire blaze, true storm and crime. Roots truth everlasting time. Roots truth carry high. Roots truth satisfy. Jah know the way, words can't deny. Roots truth live while the wicked die. Roots truth deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build. and I see through illusion. Cry tonight. Those from the lions far blow through the city. Righteous fire make the weak heart shaky. Babylon wall full up of corruption. Youth man hungry while them preach deception. Old prophets stand by the riverside crying. Children of Zion still suffering and trying. Concrete jungle cold like cemetery stone. But John never leave the sufferer alone. Searching through the lane, politics man, holy worship fame. Mother sell fruit by the roadside gate. Still give thanks before the food on plate. Those from the lions part tonight, scatter wickedness out of sight. Hear the trumpet sound so bright. Jah children rise and fight. Those from the lions part again. From Jah, always enough. Dreadlock swinging by the market square. Ancient scripture floating through the air. Lion banner wave bands in rooftop. Babylon system can't make I stop. From Trenchtown yard to the mountainside. Righteous chants spread far and wide. Nyabinghi drum beat slow and deep. Wake the souls Babylon put to sleep. Those from the lions part tonight, scatter wickedness out of sight. Hear the trumpet sound so bright. Jah children rise and fight. Badama, 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 badama. Badama, 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 badama. Badama, 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 badama. Moonlight shine on the broken street. Barefoot youth still moving to the beat. Vinyl spinning with the crackle and hiss. Roots man chanting words of bliss. Seven seals open in the midnight hour. Jah give the humble them strength and power. Fast prophet fall like rain soaked clay. Truth and rights must find a way. Ancient fire burning on the hillside red. Words of Marcus still alive, not dead. Get to survival, lift them weary eyes. Seeking Mount Zion beyond the skies. Chains of greed soon break apart. Truth already written in the heart. From the ashes, righteousness grow. Like green grass after rainfall flow. Lions step leave. Rasta chant spread across the land. Dust from the lion's paw remain. Roots true deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Water flow eastward through creation. Rastafari guide the meditation. Hear the river call tonight. Flow east through the valley, wash away corruption from the city. Morning sunlight touch the mountain face. Jah reveal truth through amazing grace. Old fisherman casting net at dawn. Children sing while the night nearly gone. Steam rise slow from the riverside stone. Rastaman chanting in a sacred tone. Babylon nice can't poison the stream. Too much hatred kill the people dream. Still the elders beat the Nyabinghi drum, calling all the lost youths home. Irie waters flow east tonight, carry the righteous into light. River cleanse the heart so deep. Jah protect the soul like he. Irie waters flow east again, wash away the fear and pain. Lion spirit through the rain, freedom chant shall remain. Old canoe drifting near the shoreline bend. Rootsman smoke while the sunset descend. Heavy bassline shaking bamboo fence. Truth more strong than government defense. Bird song echo through the mango tree. Rasta meditation set the people free. Tiny studio with the one drop sound. The plate spinning while the herb pass round. Tape machine hum with the ancient soul. Bass guitar rough but the groove in control. Dusty speaker box vibrate the ground like thunder rolling through Kingston town. Irie waters flow east tonight, carry the righteous into light. River cleanse the heart so deep. Jah protect the soul like he. Moon reflection dance pan the waterline. Scripture words glow through the night time. Ethiopian star in the eastern sky, watching every tear the sufferer cry. Politics lead a self-all salvation, while poor man fight starvation. Still the river never stop its song, teaching the weak to remain strong. Old woman pray beside the shore, asking Jah fi open better door. River carry wisdom to the sea, spiritual chains soon set free. Flow east, Jagai, river of Zion. Morning return with golden haze, righteous fire through the smoky blaze. Lion banner wave by the riverside, children of Zion walking with pride. No silver palace can buy true peace, only Jah can make the war cease. Irie waters forever run beneath the moon and burning sun. Ancient current from creation time, moving steady like a sacred rhyme. Eastward flow never fade away, roots and culture forever stay. Rastafari. Roots true deeper than religion. The real world life in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how I Babylon wall will, I see through illusion. The herb and the hammer, hammer strike, herb ignite, Babylon trembling tonight. Rastafari live. The herb and the hammer side by side. Truth and justice can't ever hide. Roots man standing by the factory gate, watching greedy men control the fate. Heavy boots marching through the square, but righteous fire ready in the air. Poor man sweat build Babylon throne, yet them still treat the sufferer like stone. Steam rise high from the burning street. Nyabinghi drum keep the heartbeat. Old preacher shouting through the lane, just soon wash away the wicked stain. The herb and the hammer tonight break corruption with the light. Smoke rise through the moon so bright. Rasta chant through the fight. The herb and the hammer again. Thunder rolling through the rain. Babylon trembling in chain. Truth alone shall remain. Tape machine shaking with the bassline Studio pop while the drummers come. One drop rhythm rough and slow, like river current steady flow. Dreadlocks work how it callous hand, still give praise across the land. Hammer beat echo through the yard. Life in Babylon cold and hard. Politicians smiling on television screen, while hungry youth survive in between. But herb smoke rise like ancient prayer, calling Jah presence everywhere. The herb and the hammer tonight break corruption with the light. Smoke rise through the moon so bright. Rasta chant through the fight. Holding fence, rattling the breeze. Kingston nights full of mysteries. Lion banner hanging from the wall, warning wicked empire soon fall. Train tracks rust beneath moon glow. Prophet words still deeply flow. Herb burn slow in a coconut shell. Truth hotter than Babylon hell. Hammer strike like judgment sound, make false leaders lose them ground. Children dancing barefoot in the dust, learning freedom and self-trust. Hammer, hammer, herb smoke rising, echo chamber. Rastafari. Morning sunlight through factory smoke. Another chain soon we get broke. Workers chanting by the riverside, holding righteousness as them guide. No fear, living in the rebel heart, even when the whole world fall apart. Hammer build and hammer destroy, depending upon the hand employed. Herb bring wisdom to the mind, open vision to the blind. The herb and the hammer remain Rastafari. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Stars above Zion. Stars above Zion. Roots man watching the heavens. Just signs written in our creation. Wheel and turn. Man astronomer scan the night sky, searching revelation way up high. Through the smoke and Babylon confusion, just still reveal divine conclusion. Moonlight resting on the sugar cane, cold breeze flowing through the window pane. Old telescope beside the wooden chair, Nyabinghi rhythm drifting through the air. Shine like ancient scroll, guiding every righteous soul. Roots man astronomer tonight, watching stars for truth and light. Heaven speaking through the night. Rasta vision crystal bright. Roots man astronomer again, reading signs through wind and rain. Saturn glow over Kingston town, while wicked empire crumbling down. Street corner prophet beat the drum, warning judgment soon fi come. Tape machine spinning rough and slow, heavy bassline deep below. Speaker box vibrate the floor, like thunder from creation core. Through the coconut trees, planet movement never tell no lie. Truth already in the sky. Roots man astronomer tonight, watching stars for truth and light. Heaven speaking through the night. Rasta vision crystal bright. Meteor flash across the eastern side. Lion spirit walking with pride. Old man praying by the river bank, still giving Jah eternal thanks. Babylon scientists search for fame, but wisdom and knowledge not the same. Roots man learn from creation law, from the eagle wing to the lion paw. Ancient markings upon the stone, evidence just sit on the throne. Galaxies turning sacred song, while Nyabinghi drums pound, pound, pound. Stars, 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 heavenly signs. Astronomer, astronomer, Jah creation, infinite vibration. justified through creation. Lion roar beneath moon and sun. Righteous journey never done. Rootsman astronomer still remain, watching over earth again. Rootsman astronomer, watching Zion stars. Jah guide the heavens. Rastafari. Roots truth deeper than roots truth deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see true illusion. Gatekeepers standing at the eastern horizon, watching the rising sun. Rastafari live forever. Gatekeepers of the sun stand tall, watching Babylon empire fall. Ancient trumpets sound through the breeze, echoing deep through the coconut trees. Long dreadlocks blowing in the dawn, another righteous day born. Old prophet sitting by the gate, warning wicked man before too late. Just rise hype on the broken road, so far as still carrying heavy load. Yet the fire of Jah never fade, truth sharper than a warrior blade. Gatekeepers of the sun tonight, holding wisdom and delight, watching over wrong and right. Rasta standing through the fight. Gatekeepers of the sun again, shield the righteous from the pain. Through the storm and pouring rain, Jah kingdom shall remain. Heavy bassline shake the zinc fence wall, tape machine wobble but the spirit tall. Nyabinghi drum beat deep and slow, like ancient river current flow. Street corner elderly man, blessing every youth across the land. Babylon leaders dressed in gold, still them are spiritually cold. Sunlight break through smoky sky, children of Zion asking why corruption rule the day, while poor man struggle to survive. Gatekeepers of the sun tonight, holding wisdom and delight, watching over wrong and right. Rasta standing through the fight. Seven seals crack out morning rise, fire reflection in the people life. Zion banner wave on the hill, righteous soldiers standing still. Old railway station nearly dead, yet prophecy still spreading. never sleep nor run, watching over the sacred sun. Ancient wisdom pass through blood like mighty rivers after flood. Gatekeepers still chant the song, keeping the children safe from harm. Gatekeepers of the sun, still watching Zion, Rastafari. Gatekeepers. Roots true deeper than religion, the real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see true illusion. From the hollow hills, children arise, ancient drum calling through the mist tonight. Rastafari. Children of the hollow hills, children arise, children of the hollow hills appear, moving silent when the moon draw near. Their footsteps on the rocky ground, Nyabinghi heartbeat only sound. Cold mist rolling through the trees, ancient whispers ride the breeze. Old shepherd man beside the flame, still chanting Jah holy name. Babylon city far below, full of corruption and wicked show. But up in the hills the elders know, truth like river forever flow. Children of the hollow hills tonight, searching for the sacred light, through the valley dark as night. Jah guide them steps aright. Children of the hollow hills again, born through struggle, born through pain, still the righteous spirit reign, like thunder after rain. Goat skin drum beside the cave wall beat, heavy echo under high feet. Old acoustic guitars slightly warm, still sounding strong before the dawn. Roots man smoke by the fireside red, listening to the words ancestors said. Stars hanging low above the ridge, cold wind crossing the broken bridge. Youth man carrying water in clay jar, dreaming beyond Babylon wall. Tiny lantern glow through the night, leading souls toward the light. Children of the hollow hills tonight, searching for the sacred light, through the valley dark as night. Jah guide them steps aright. Ancient ruins hidden in the stone, prove Jah children never alone. River moving beneath the ground, making deep, mysterious sound. Babylon preacher speak in vain, still the poor man bear the chain. Yet children from the hills arise, with wisdom shining in them eyes. pass, another generation pass. Still the children beat the drum, knowing where them spirit from. No silver kingdom can buy them soldier. Alone remain in control. From the hollow hills them sing songs of freedom to the king. Dusty pathways never stray, still them walk through every gate. Children of the hollow hills remain like roots growing through the rain. Children of the hollow hills, children arise. Children of the hollow hills, still chanting through the mists. Jah guide forever, ooh, Rastafari. Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape in conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I see through illusion. Not to walk through iron rain. Iron rain falling, not is still walking. Babylon storm can't stop your children. Hear the thunder. Walk through iron rain tonight, lightning flashing across the skyline bright. Military boots on the avenue stone, yet the righteous never walk alone. Cold steel falling from the wicked sky, still the sufferer refuse to die. Dreadlocks soaked in the storm and dust, holding firm in Jah I trust. Old woman praying by the doorway flame, calling softly upon Jah name. Children hiding near the zinc fence wall, hearing judgment trumpet call. Not to walk through iron rain, bearing all the hurt and pain. Babylon fire burn in vain, Rasta spirit still remain. Not to walk through iron star, through the flood and weather worn. Jah protect the dreaded morn, lion heart forever strong. Tape machine crackle with the heavy bass, smoke and thunder fill the place. One drop rhythm rough and deep, wake the souls Babylon put asleep. Soldier man watching from the checkpoint gate. Too much violence, too much hate, yet the herb smoke rise through the night, like spiritual beacon light. Train track trembling under rain, echoing the people pain. Natty boots splash through the mud, still carrying the royal blood. Natty walk through iron rain, bearing all the hurt and pain. Babylon fire burn in vain, Rasta spirit still remain. Iron rain beating on the rooftop low, darkness covering like funeral shroud. But the moon still glow behind the hills, guiding up to others hiding fear. Truth becoming crystal clear. Old guitar crying soft and low, like ancient river current flow. Nothing ever sell him soul for gold, even when the night turn cold. Iron rain, iron rain, thunder roll. Iron rain, thunder roll. Natty walking through fire. Rastafari, yeah. Morning sunlight break at last. Storm clouds slowly drifting past. Natty standing on the hill, heart and spirit stronger still. Iron rain could never drown. Righteous roots deep underground. Lion roar through the eastern sky, telling every youth fear rise. Babylon was already weak. Truth is all the righteous seek. Not the walk through iron rain again. Freedom flowing through in veins. Not the walking through iron rain, still standing strong. Rastafari. Roots truth deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Lion heart, meditation, Jah light within my soul. Breathe in, breathe out, Rastafari. Lion heart chant in the early dawn, misty resting pon the lawn. Bird song echo through the cedar tree. Jah spirit set the mind free. Old roots man sitting by the stream, eyes half closed in a peaceful dream. Clay pipe glow with the herbs so mild. Meditation, calm and wild. Babylon noise far away tonight. Holy moon and sacred light. Nyabinghi drum beat, soft and low, like river current, steady flow. Lion Heart Chant, meditation, spiritual elevation. Jah guide I meditation, ancient revelation. Lion Heart Chant tonight, fill the soul with holy light. Everything gon' be alright. Rasta keep the vision bright. Morning sunrise through the hills of green, prettiest sight I ever seen. Dewdrop sparkle pon the grass. Every sorrow soon shall pass. Acoustic guitar hum slightly rough. Tape machine old but warm enough. Bassline floating through the air, like a humble little prayer. Children laughing near the shore. Art still pure forevermore. No greed, no envy, no disguise. Only truth within them eyes. Lion Heart Chant, meditation, spiritual elevation. Jah guide I meditation, ancient revelation. near the stone. Meditation deep alone. Stars still fading from the sky. Watching every sufferer cry. All scripture resting upon I knee. Words of wisdom set I free. No need for race or chase, no throne. Jah kingdom already known. Ocean breeze pass through the trees, carrying songs of peace. Lion heart never filled with hate. Love alone decide I fade. Breathing, lion heart, meditation, Jah light within. Rastafari. Evening glow touch the mountainside. Golden fire where spirits high. Drum beat pulse like heartbeat slow. Teaching ancient souls to grow. Meditation heal the pain. Wash the mind like gentle rain. Lion heart forever pure. Roots and culture endure. No Babylon chain can hold I mind. Truth and peace are hard to find. Lion heart chant never fail. Even when the body ache. Lion heart chant meditation. Jah light within my soul. Rastafari. Lion heart. Roots true deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I and I see through illusion. Quiet thunder rolling through the hills tonight. Crown upon the righteous head, Rastafari. Crown of quiet thunder upon our head, walking where the righteous dread. No load boast and no vanity song. Still Jah pour all around. Silent lightning through the sky, watching every sufferer cry. Old prophet leaning pon him cane, speaking truth through wind and rain. Babylon city full of nice, false leaders and broken ties. But deep within the humble soul, Jah alone remain in control. Crown of quiet thunder tonight, hidden power shining bright. Move through darkness without fright. Rasta walking truth and light. Oh, crown of quiet thunder again. Echo softly through the rain. Wisdom flowing through the vein. Jah forever reign. Old tape machine humming low, bassline moving deep and slow. One jack rhythm slightly rough, but the spirit's strong enough. Dreadlocks held by the firelight red, reciting ancient words words once said. Children listening by the gate, learning love before too late. Thunder rolling far away, warning wickedness today. Yet the humble hardly speak, still them spirit never weak. Crown of quiet thunder tonight, hidden power shining bright. Move through darkness without fright. Rasta walking truth and light. Moonlight touch the mountain stone, meditation deep alone. River whisper through the trees, carrying sacred mysteries. No need for gold or fancy throne. Truth make righteous rich and known. Lion heart beneath calm face, walking steady through Jah grace. Babylon warrior shout and fight, but them blind without true sight. Quiet thunder move unseen, stronger than the wicked scheme. Quiet thunder, quiet thunder. Lion out, ancient power. Rastafari, Rastafari. Morning sunlight break through haze, golden smoke and silver rays. Crown still resting upon my brow, more meaningful than riches now. Every storm eventually fades, still the righteous never change. Thunder sleeping in the soul, waiting when the drums will roll. Jah guide every humble man according to creation plan. Crown of quiet thunder remain, echoing across the plain. Quiet thunder still rolling to Zion, crown upon the righteous. Rastafari, Rastafari.
Roots too deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see through illusion. Iron chalice open tonight, sacred smoke rise to the sky. Ancient meditation begin, Rastafari live. Iron chalice open by the fireside glow, herb smoke rising soft and slow. Dreadlocks elder sitting calm, chanting ancient healing psalm. Moonlight resting on the zinc rooftop. Babylon nights temporarily stop. Nyabinghi drum beat deep and wide, like thunder rolling through the countryside. Oh, lion face marked by years, wisdom born through pain and tears. Children gather near the flame, listening while he called your name. Iron chalice opening tonight, fill the
passing through darkest night. Rasta vision shining bright. Iron chalice opening again. Wash away the fear and pain. Babylon fall like pouring rain. Jah forever reign. Tape machine wobble with the bill sign low. Studio smoke drifting slow. Old guitar humming slightly warm, still sounding strong before the dawn. Kingston yard under cloudy sky. Police sirens passing by. Yet the roots man never fear, knowing Jah protection near. Herb aroma fill the air, like meditation and prayer. Iron chalice bubbling red, spiritual fire widely spread. Iron chalice opening tonight. Fill the soul with sacred light. Smoke ascend through darkest night. Rasta vision shining bright. Lion banner hanging by the wall, watching wicked empire fall. Ancient scripture upon the table side, beside a weathered Ethiopian guide. Cold breeze through the bamboo gate, meditation running late. Dubwise bouncing through the room, like prophecy of Babylon doom. Every puff reveal another sign, hidden truth in a Jah design. Roots man eyes half closed in trance, moving slow in spiritual dance. Smoke rise, meditation, iron chalice, Rastafari. Morning sunlight touch the ground, still the drum and bass line song. Iron chalice by the chair, sacred smoke still in the air. No corruption can survive the flame. Truth forever call Jah name, from the hills unto the shore. Righteous chant forevermore. Iron chalice open wide, wisdom flowing like the tide. Lion spirit never fade, even when the body age. Iron chalice opening, sacred smoke rising. Jah guide the meditation. Rastafari.
Roots truth deeper than religion. The real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. And I see through illusion. Spirit radio calling, transmission from Mount Zion. Can you hear the signal tonight? Rastafari. Spirit radio. Spirit. dancing through the night. Static crackle from the old receiver, message reaching every believer. Tiny red bulb glowing in the room, smoke drifting through the midnight gloom. Rootsman tuned in frequency slow, searching where the righteous flow. Babylon station full of lies, poison spreading through the airwaves wide, but just signal stronger than them all, echoing through creation all. Spirit radio transmission, ancient spiritual vibration, calling every generation. Rasta communication, spirit radio calling again. Through the thunder and the rain, through traveling through the vein, Jah forever reign. Hey. Old antenna leaning by the roof, still receiving sacred truth. Heavy bass line through the speaker cone, sounding like a prophet tone. Tape machine hiss beneath the drums, wine drop rhythm steady come. Kingston nighttime dark and hot, yeah, the roots man never stop. Children listen near the gate, learning wisdom before too late. Moonlight resting on the wire, like electric spiritual fire. Spirit radio transmission, ancient spiritual vibration, calling every generation. Rasta communication, shortwave signal cross the sea, carrying songs of liberty. From Ethiopia unto the west, Jah children seeking rest. Operators speaking calm and deep, awakening souls asleep. Lion roar through radio snow, warning wickedness below. Babylon Jama try to block the sound, still the truth spread all around. Frequency too strong for chain, like thunder rolling through the brain. Spirit radio transmission, static, static. Mount Zion calling, can you hear? Rastafari, morning sunlight through the blinds, still the message in my mind. Softly humming low, sacred frequency still flow. Nobody can stop the sound, truth and roots forever bound. Spirit radio never die, even when the old men pass by. From the hills unto the town, just signal never shutting down. Radio remain, broadcasting through sun and rain. Spirit radio signing off. Mount Zion frequency eternal. Rastafari. Roots truth deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion. Even through hardship and struggle, Jah provide. Rastafari. The morning sun, another hard day just begun. Old woman baking by the coal fire flame, still giving praises to Jah name. Little picnic running through the yard, life in the ghetto rough and hard. Yet them smile beneath the strain, dancing softly in the rain. Steam rising from the iron pot slow, blessings Jah continue to show. Roots man sitting by the doorway side, holding faith and humble pride. Dread bread him tonight, feed the soul with sacred light. Even when the time's not right, Jah keep the children upright. Dread bread him again, through the sunshine and the rain. Rasta spirit still remain. Tape machine low and warm, like peace after the storm. Bass guitar moving deep and calm, like an ancient healing psalm. Market woman counting coins, trying to survive the system storms. Yet the herb smoke drifts so free, carried by the evening breeze. Old preacher walking through the lane, warning people both greed and shame. Children gather by the gate, learning love before too late. Tread bread in tonight, feed the soul with sacred light. Even when the time's not right, Jah keep the children upright. Dusty road beneath bare feet, heartbeat moving with the beat. Nyabinghi drum in the distant sound, echoing softly through the town. No silver palace can buy peace, only Jah can make pain cease. Broken bread shared hand to hand, uniting people across the land. Moonlight touch the rooftop zinc, giving weary souls time to think. Every crumb become a prayer, proof Jah presence everywhere. Daily bread, give thanks, humble living, sacred hymn, Rastafari. Morning crow cry through the haze, smoke drifting through the rays. Roots man stand beside the stream, still protecting the dream. Though the system hard and cold, righteous spirit never sow. Bread may small, but heart stay wide. Jah forever by high side. Dread bread in continue sound, from Kingston yard to country ground. Simple life but rich within, that is where true wealth begin. Dread bread him, give thanks for life, Jah provide always. Roots truth deeper than religion, the real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion. Jordan Road, covered in silt and fire. Prophet walking through the smoke tonight. Rastafari. Silt and fire upon the Jordan Road tonight. River muddy but the moon still bright. Barefoot prophet walking through the rain, carrying generations of pain. Old bridge shaking under heavy load. Dust and ashes cover the road. Babylon soldiers watching from afar, still can't stop the righteous star. Burning barrel by the riverside glow. Smoke drifting soft and slow. Nyabinghi drum beat deep below. Like ancient waters flow. Silt and fire on the Jordan Road. Heavy is the sufferer load. Still Jah guide the weary soul toward the everlasting goal. Silt and fire through the night. River carrying sacred light. Lion spirit rise and fight. Rasta keep the vision bright. Tail machine wobble with the bassline beat. Wake the soul still asleep. Old guitar crying rough and low, like a wounded wind blow. Children standing near the shore, listening to the elders more. Cold breeze through the bamboo trees, carrying ancient mysteries. Politics leaders chase them fame, yet the poor man bear the blame. Still the river continue flow, teaching truth the wise man know. Silt and fire on the Jordan Road. Heavy is the sufferer load. Still Jah guide the weary soul toward the everlasting goal. Moon reflection broken by the tide. Lion spirit by eyesight. Ashes floating on the stream like fragments of a forgotten dream. Oh, rootsman light the chalice slow, watching embers glow. Every puff become a prayer, rising upward through the air. Jordan water stained with clay, still washing sins away. Fire burn but truth remain, after flood and after rain. Silt and fire, silt and fire. River of Zion, prophet walking. Rastafari. Sunrise touch the muddy plain. Another day through storm and rain. Prophet standing by the hill. Heart and spirit stronger still. No wicked throne can last too long. Truth survive, true rootsman song. Jordan Road forever wind. True the soul and true the mind. Silt make over ancient ground. Still the righteous truth is found. Fire cleanse the earth again, like thunder fire remain. Jah guide the traveler, Rastafari.
Roots true deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. Flowing through creation, ancient vibration carry I soul. Rastafari. Word sound river flow through the land, moving steady by ancient echoes through the trees, carried softly by the breeze. All rootsman chanting by the stream, speaking life into the dream. Every syllable become a flame, burning wickedness and shame. Babylon language full of lies, wise and drifting through the skies. But righteous words from humble tongue still remain forever strong. Word sound river tonight, carry truth into the light, wash away corruption sight. Rasta chant through the night. Word sound river again, flow through sunshine and rain. Forever reign. Tape machine humming warm and rough, bassline heavy and enough. Old microphone wrapped in tape, still recording every shade. Children sitting near the shore, listening close and wanting more. Acoustic guitar softly cry underneath the evening sky. Word and sound become one force, flowing like a mighty source. River carry every prayer through the smoky midnight air. Word sound river tonight, carry truth into the light, wash away corruption sight. Rasta chant through the night. Moon reflection, dance and bend. River never truly end. Lion banner by the stone, proof Jah children not alone. All prophets standing by the gate, warning youths before too late. Word sharper than the warrior blade, even after speak of fate. Babylon walls crack and fall, still the river truth and rhythm intertwined, flowing through the heart and mind. Word, sound, power, river flowing, echo chamber, ancient vibration. Rastafari, sunrise paint the river.
sacred story told. Roots man rise from meditation seat, barefoot standing in the heat. No chain can stop the river flow. No wicked force can kill the glow. Word sound river forever run beneath the moon and burning sun. From the mountain to the sea, Jah word set the people free. Word sound river still remain, flowing through the earth again. Word sound river, flow eternal. Just speak through creation. Rastafari.
Roots shoot deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I and I see through illusion. This a chant for the forgotten farmers, working the soil from sunrise to dusk. Just see every struggle. Rastafari, chant for the forgotten farmers tonight. Hands full of dirt but spirit bright. Sunburn hot on the hillside plain, still them plant through drought and rain. Old straw hat and a withered face, moving slow with humble grace. Barefoot walking through the clay, praying for a better day. Babylon city eat the harvest gold, while the farmer man grow old. Yet the earth still call him name, and Jah remember every pain. Oh, chant for the forgotten farmer, till the soil through stormy weather. Roots grow stronger together. Rasta spirit live forever. Chant for the forgotten souls, working fields without control. Still Jah guide and make them whole. Lion strength within them soul. Tape machine soft and low, bassline moving like river flow. Acoustic guitar slightly warm, still sounding sweet at dawn. Children carrying bucket water slow, cornfield bending in the blow. Old woman cooking by the fire, smoke rising higher and higher. Government promises fade away, still the farmer work all day. Hands crack rough from years of strain, yet them heart remain untamed. Chant for the forgotten farmers, till decide through stormy weather. Roots grow stronger together. Rasta spirit live forever. Countryside, Nyabinghi drum from far away, echo softly through the bay. Old donkey cart upon
struggle painfully real. Still the farmers give Jah praise to the artist hungry days. Every seed beneath the ground carry sacred future sound. Earth and fire, roots and style, forgotten no more. Rastafari. Morning sunlight through the haze, another long and weary day. Yet the farmer lifting eyes, watching birds across the skies. No politician, no the land. Like the farmer with her hand. Every crop and every tree, part of Jah creation story. Forgotten by the rich and proud, still them spirits standing loud. Chant for the farmers remain, flowing through the wind and rain. Forgotten farmers, still feeding the nation. Jah bless the workers of this soil. Rastafari.
Roots too deeper than religion. The real word, live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I and I see through illusion. Where the dub sleeps low, dub sleeping low tonight. Deep beneath the speaker box, echoes crawling through the darkness. Rastafari, where the dope sleeps low beneath the ground. Heavy bass without a sound. Old selector leaning by the wall, waiting for the night fi call. Smoke drifting through the studio dim. Tiny red ball growing thin. Tape machine spinning tired and slow, like ancient rivers flow. Kingston lane wet from rain. Dubwise moving through the brain. Rootsman sitting calm and still, listening beyond the hill, where the dope sleeps low tonight. Echo hiding from the light, bassline creeping through the night. Rasta hold the vibe so tight, where the dope sleeps low again. Rolling through the wind and rain, ancient sound within the vein. Jah forever reign. Speaker cone trembling in the dark, sending out a sacred spark. Old microphone wrapped in tape, capturing every sound and shape. Drama beat the one drop slow, let the meditation grow. The task can gruff and dry, underneath the smoky sky. Babylon nice to load outside, but to become the inner guide. Every echo bones and bend, like messages without end. Where the dub sleeps low tonight, echo hiding from the light.
bassline creeping through the night. Rasta hold the vibe so tight. Moonlight touch the dusty floor. Old vinyl stacked beside the door. Selector searching through the crate, finding tunes from a forgotten day. Spring reverb drip like rain, heavy delay upon the brain. Charlie smoke float through the air, mixing with the midnight prayer. Dub no need no fancy show. Its power move deep below, like hidden roots beneath the tree, holding ancient memory. Dubwise meditation sleeps beneath creation. Rastafari. Morning nearly touching skies, still the sound system never died. Selector nodding off asleep, guarding rhythms buried deep. No corruption can own this sound. Truth still shake the ground where the dub sleeps low. Remain like thunder after rain, from the yard unto the shore. Dub vibration forevermore. Heavy bassline still flow slow, where the dub sleeps low. Dub sleeping low. Echoes fading slow. Dub sleeping low. Dub sleeping low. Dub sleeping low. Dub sleeping low.
Roots truth deeper than religion. The real world live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience. No matter how high Babylon wall build, I see true illusion. 12 tribes gathering tonight, barrel drum calling through Zion, ancient fire blazing, Rastafari. 12 tribes in a barrel drum tonight, gathered underneath moonlight, unpainted banners waving the breeze, chanting softly through the trees. Old elder beating goat skin slow, like ancient river currents flow. Dreadlocks circle round the flame, praising Jah holy name. Barrel drum carved rough by hand, heartbeat of his suffering land. Every rhythm carry pain, mixed with sunshine and rain. 12 tribes in a barrel drum, calling every righteous one. Hear the sacred rhythm come, underneath the burning sun. 12 tribes chant again, through the storm and through the rain. Lion spirit never change, Jah forever reign. Tape machine humming low and warm, like calm before
before the storm, bassline shaking bamboo fence, heavy with experience. Children dancing barefoot near, without corruption, without fear. Old prophets sitting by the gate, teaching love before too late. Herb smoke rising through the sky, like prayer rising high. Tobacco bounce against the hill, night so sacred and still. 12 tribes in a barrel drum, calling every righteous one. Hear the sacred rhythm come, underneath the burning sun. Moonlight resting upon the yard, life in Babylon hard, yet the drum continue beat, keeping every soul complete. 12 tribes from north and south, speaking wisdom from them mouth. Every chant become a flame, burning greed and shame. Lion banner by the wall, watching wicked empire fall. Ancient rhythm from long ago, still making righteous grow. Heartbeat of Zion, 12 tribes gather, ancient vibration. Rastafari, morning sunlight touch the ground, still the drum and chant song. Elders smiling through the haze, remembering olden days. No Babylon chain can stop the beat. Roots too deep beneath the street. 12 tribes forever stand, holding truth across the land. Barrel drum continue call, for the humble and the small. 12 tribes remain again, through the sunshine and the rain. 12 tribes gathering, barrel drum sounding, gathering. Chat children chanting, gathering. Roots truth deeper than religion, the real word live in vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall be. I see true illusion. Heart Chant. Dubwise, meditation tonight, echoes drifting through Zion, Rastafari. Chant through the speaker bone, heavy bass shake flesh and bone. Dubwise echo crawl through the wall, like ancient spirits call. Old selector leaning near the board, searching for the righteous chord. Tape machine spinning rough and slow, like hidden rivers flow. Smoke rising through the midnight room, tiny red ball cut through gloom. Roots man nodding with closed eyes, feeling thunder from the skies. Lion Heart Chant, roots dub, deep meditation from above. Bassline flowing like a flood, Rasta rooted in the blood. bouncing through the yard. All the task can try and thin, yet the spirit strong within. Moonlight touch the dusty floor. Old vinyl stuck near the door. Spring river drip like rain. Heavy delay upon the brain. Babylon nights fade away slow. Holy roots vibration grow. Chalice smoke drift through the air, blending with the evening prayer. Lion Heart Chant, roots dub, deep meditation from above. Bassline flowing like a flood. Rasta rooted in the blood. Lion banner hanging by the wall, watching wicked empire fall. Every echo tell a tale of sufferers who never fail. Dub engineer twisting knock, creating sound like sacred fog. Bassline rumble beneath the feet. Heartbeat slow and complete. Children sleeping while the song travels softly through the town. Roots dub deeper than the sea, holding ancient memory. Lionheart, bassline meditation, Dubwise creation, Rastafari. Morning nearly touch the sky, still the sound system never die. Selector smiling through the haze, lost inside the dub delays. No Babylon chain can stop the flow. Roots vibration always grow. Lionheart forever strong, living through the rootsman song. Dubwise chant remain again, through the sunshine and the rain. Lionheart chant forever roll, deep within the righteous soul. Lionheart chant, roots dub vibration, echoes eternal, Rastafari.
Roots too deeper than religion. The real world living vibration. Man can't escape him conscience, no matter how high Babylon wall build. I and I see through illusion. Rise on Ballad Mountain, ashes rising tonight over Ballad Mountain, smoke over the valley, Rastafari. In the moonlight, fire burning through the dry cane field. Babylon kingdom soon reveal. Old prophet standing by the stone, warning wicked from Jah throne. Cold wind all through the trees, carrying ancient mysteries.
machine wobble with the bass line rough. One drop rhythm hard enough. Old guitar hum low and warm, like a warning before dawn. Smoke drift through the hillside road. Heavy is the sufferer load. Politics leaders dressed in gold, still spiritually cold. Moonlight break through clouds of gray, briefly touching the clay. Herb fire glow by the stream, keeping alive the dream. Ashes rise on bald mountain, fire flowing like a fountain. Babylon trembling from the sun, Rasta truth still all around. Ballad soldiers guard the gate, too blind to escape them fate. Still the roots man chant remain, rolling like thunder through the rain. Ashes floating through the breeze, settling softly on the trees. Every ember tell a tale of sufferers who prevail. Lion banner wave on the hill, night so dangerous and still. Ancient scripture in iron, guiding eye across the land. Ashes rising, mountain burning.